now, those are my warm-up shots. Really like this pistol. But then again, it's a Glock. I'm a Glock guy. Made that known. Now I'm gonna test myself at 25 yards, way back there. Let's see what we can do. Woo! Pretty far, pretty far. But what good is it if you're not challenging yourself? You have to be challenging yourself, trying to improve. 25 yards, here we go. Let's see if I got it. Ooh, I already see the holes in it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connected. 5 missed. So that's 50% at 25 yards. I'm not pleased, but not bad. At least I touched him. Mm-hmm. Chef Pierre would not be pleased. He would have to drop that axe or hatchet.
I have to say that this video today, you have a lot of sexual energy. Like this lube, drop that, and now you're talking
about... Forgive me, people. It's strictly accident. Would you like to take a shot at him?
I think it's subliminal, people.
I don't know. Let's go, Lady Dangerous. Show Chef Pierre what you got.
No, you go ahead. I'm going to shoot a new target after.
Oh, okay. Well, you want, I could just mark them. So whatever you hit is new. Okay.
All right, is it still the 45?
Yeah. Here, I'll just mark it. You go.
How far?
It's up to you. Shows you on the wall there. 5, 7.
Where did I go last time? The 7?
That's 5.
Yards?
Yeah. That's 7, yes.
Okay.
That's it.
Do I have to load my own? Okay.
All you gotta do is put the magazine in, drop the slide, and let Chef Pierre know what's up.
I'm gonna try changing my stance.
Let's see what we got. Oh, you did better than me.
I have shells falling out of my hair.
Isn't that the beauty of it?
There's shells falling out of my hair.
You got him in the face.
Twice? 3 times?
Skinned him there, but this one, boss up in fierce. Took off his hat, took off his ear, throat, shoulder.
I was aiming for the upper body.
So you nicked him here. Let's see. You got him in the chest here. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I would say that's pretty good. Chef Pierre would be down.
I think so.
With zombies, just takes 1 in the head.
Do I mark it?
Yeah.